Hello UPSC warriors, Namaste. In this session, we are going to take up CSAT. Myself, Shantappa, All India Rank 644. Here Mr. Sudarshan sir. He is known for clearing prelims consistently and consecutively. He is known for unconventional approach because in CSAT, if you apply the formulas which you have learnt in your degrees and below 10th, those things will never work here. Okay. He cleared multiple exams, right from state government to central government, cleared CAT with the 98 percentile and all those things. I thought he is the right person to guide a CSAT. Along with Sudarshan sir knowledge, here Shantappa sir approach is there. Knowledge coupled with approach will make a big impact in your life. Here I have taken CAPF 2025 question paper. Through CAPF 2025 lens, we have to see the UPSC prelims. I always tell and emphasize again and again, UPSC is your institution, the question paper is the material. For me, UPSC is an institution, UPSC is a coaching center. It is going to release its material again and again through different question paper. We have taken up 2025 question paper. Now we are going to solve the questions. You have to see the concepts rather than solution. See the concepts. Why these concepts coming again and again? What is the way? So Sudarshan sir will tell you with minimum time, with less time, you have to arrive the answer. It's not like that. It's like in your engineering, in your degrees, you are applying conventional method. So he is going to come up with unconventional method, hitting the bull's eye rather than telling the bullshit. Okay, now let's go to the CAPF 2025 question paper decoding. In this regard, we have come up with a CSAT special crash course. CSAT special crash course. Interested people can contact our channel 9620131843. You can contact to this number. We are always going to help you. Okay. Let's begin.
So, hi, welcome everyone. Sir, multiple times we have discussed the approach regarding the CSAT. Okay. So, you are supposed to attend 35 to 40 questions. Yes, so, you have to hit a target of 50. So, where you will make a correct of 35 questions. So, by guess, analytical, logical reasons. Sir, and these are the questions where you are not supposed to make mistakes multiple times when I tell. Yeah. And every time you go to the prelims exam, you have to solve that year's. That means the previous years and that year's CAPF, Geoscientist and CDF question paper. If you solve this, UPSC will give you a hint, at least 2 or 3 questions from the same theme. Same theme, just they will change the number. Which questions will be difficult questions? Yeah. So where to clear any exam, those difficult questions has to be answered. So where 3 difficult questions which nobody can answer, you can answer just by question paper knowledge. Okay. So that's the importance of question paper. So in this regard, we have taken CAPF 2025, sir. So the first question is regarding the calendar problems. Sir, again UPSC, why the question papers are important? Because the question papers are important because multiple times, that is in 2024 UPSC has asked the same question. Okay. That was in CSAT, that is civil service exam. Okay. The same question, this was civil service question, this is CAPF question. So what you can analyze is, the examiner is just trying to copy the questions from PYQs. See, which one of the following year will have identical calendar with the year 2025? Yes. The calendar for the year 2025 is same for the language, that the grammatical language of the question is same, but the words are different. That's it. The question is same. So here the theme is, sir, in state PCS, CDS, multiple times the question is based on these themes. That is, they will give any year, that is 2024. Everywhere, every teacher teaches the things. What you have to find out the calendar year which will be similar to that of 2024 or 2025. They might give 2015. Yes. 2 times in 2007, 2015, UPSC has the same question. Yes. But that year is different. Exactly. Sir, simple shortcut is simple. Take the 2025 year. Yes. So here one type of question is clear. That is, if you get a year, yes, to find the identical year, yes, of that similar to that of calendar. Nothing. You take that year, that is 2025, divide it by 4. What are you supposed to do? Divide it by 4. Why we are supposed to divide it by 4? Because for every 4 years there will be a leap year.
Yes.
Based on calendar problem.
Yes.
You got. So I'll divide it by 4. Obviously you know the divisibility of 4.
Yes.
That is, if you divide the last 2 digits, obviously the entire number is so if I divide it, the remainder would be what? 1.
Yes.
If you divide 2025 by 4, the remainder would be 1. So simple, I'll give you the code. What is the code? If I divide any number by 4, I can get remainder as 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
These are the reminders, possible reminders.
Yes. Yes.
Nothing. Just add. If you get 0, you should add 28. If you get 1, 6. If you get 2 and 3 for both, you are supposed to add 11.
No.
Remember this code: 28, 6, 11.
Yeah, remainder is 1.
Remainder is 1.
Means you have got 6.
6. So for 2025, if you add 2025, don't get confused, I have written 2024. If you add 6, it would be what? 2031. So the answer would be option C.
Okay. See, that's what I'm telling you. If you apply conventional method, you will take your own time. You know, if you go by conventional method, how much time it will take and what is the way you can solve?
Usually what happens is, while you are solving in conventional or whatever you have learnt, what happens is, for every 1 year, there will be one additional day. That means 1 January 2024, if it starts with Monday. I'm assuming it.
Yes.
So 2025 will start with Wednesday. Why? Because 2024 is a leap year. 2026 will start with Thursday.
Yes.
2027 will start with Friday. So I go on doing like this till I get the year Monday.
Okay. I got your point.
UPSC will trap here.
Yes.
It had asked a leap year. Once you go on doing like this, somewhere 2028 or 2029, you will get the day will start with Monday, but that will be not a leap year. 2024 UPSC has trap like this.
Exactly.
So learn those codes. Everybody would have taught the same shortcuts. It's not like we are special, but the best thing: 28, 6, 11. 0 reminder, 1 reminder, 2 and 3 reminder. For 2 reminders, it is 11. For 1, it is 6. For 0, it is 28. So the answer would be 2031. Yes.
See, if you go conventional method, definitely under pressure, you may miss the numbers. 2 into 3 will becomes 5 if you are in a pressure mode. If you are under pressure, 2 into 3 will never become a 6. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have this type of shortcut methods, you are directly arriving into the answers. We'll move to the next question. Yeah. This is very conventional question. Unit digits, I am telling you again and again, unit digits, number of zeros, number of fives. These special characteristic features with the particular numbers like 7, 11, 13 definitely will come, and sir will give solution for that.
Sir, unit digit concept. If you are in sleeping also,
Yes.
you should know the concept of unit digit. You are not making mistakes based on unit digit. You are not making mistake in finding the number of zeros. These questions should be at the tip of your tongue, sir. But I consider it as a difficult question.
Okay.
Why? Till now UPSC has asked the question, it has not asked plus. Unit digit to into. And here it has come with factorial.
Okay.
Why this question? I'll tell you why the question. Take out 2023 and 2022 CAT question paper.
Okay.
There the question is like this. That is based on factorial.
Okay.
So CAPF has replicated the question based on CAT. That's the number system itself. It's not like it's a difficult thing. It's common sense only. But there will be some trick which you will be missing. Sir, I expect this type of question in the next upcoming anywhere if you write 2026, 2027 or 2028. This concept based on finding the unit digit will come in the exams.
Sure.
For sure it will come. How to find out? Sir, the theme is simple. 5 factorial. 6 factorial.
Okay.
If you find out the value of 5 factorial, what is 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 23s are 62s are 120. Sir, whatever the factorial, greater than 5. 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7. Probably 7 factorial, 720. 120 into 6 will come, 12 6 are 70 to 720. So from 5 factorial up to infinite factorial in the unit digit, you will get as 0 itself.
Okay.
That you should be knowing. If you don't know this, this question is difficult.
Yes.
This is what the shortcut approach is.
Okay.
So now what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to find the unit digit from 3 ones are 3. I hope everybody knows unit digit. That is 23 to 6s. This is the units place, tens place, 100 place. This is the unit digit. So 3 ones are 3 plus. What is the thing you are supposed to observe? Something it is 4 into 2 into 1. So you are not supposed to get panicked. Here it is 4 into 2 factorial. So here it is 3 into 1 factorial. So similarly, this is what you can observe, sir, here. 5 into 3 factorial. Similarly, it will be 6 into 4 factorial.
Yes.
Plus 7 into 5 factorial. I am least bothered about that. Why? Because in 5 factorial, at unit place, there will be 0. Any number multiplied to 0 is 0. 0. Any number multiplied to 0 is 0. Say for example 4, 3, 2, 0 into, if I consider 5, what is the unit digit of this is 0. 5 zeros are 0. Here it is 6, 6 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0. For 0 unit digit, the unit digit would be 0 itself.
Yes.
Okay, so now I am solving this. That is just only till here you are supposed to find the unit digit. This is 3 plus 4 2s are 8 it is, plus here 3 2s are 6 5s are how much? 30 plus here again 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 6. That is 26 are 120, 4 6 are 24, 120 plus 24 is 144. This is 144. So plus here whatever the digits comes in the unit digit it will be 0. Whatever the digits comes in the unit digit it will be 0. Now we are supposed to add everything. That is 3 plus 8 plus 30 plus 144 plus. So you are adding dash dash dash. What you will get here? 0.
Yes.
Now you are supposed to add. I am least bothered about up to here. From here till here I am least bothered.
Yes.
Now 8 plus 3, 11 plus 4, 15. 5, 1 carry. So the unit digit is 5. The unit digit is 5. So here it is. The option D would be the correct answer. I hope you got it. Just be thoroughly memorize these things. That is what you are supposed to memorize is, sir, any numbers factorial greater than 5 in the unit digit it would be 0. 5 factorial unit digit?
Yes.
0. 6 factorial unit digit? 0. 7 factorial unit digit? 0. 8 factorial unit digit? 0.
Yes.
If they give you 8 factorial into 9 factorial into 10 factorial into 20 factorial into 11 factorial, UPSC will ask this. What is the unit digit? What is the unit digit? 0. That's it.
Exactly. 0. More than 5,
Anything is 0. If they give you something, if you consider 5, the unit digit would be 5 plus dash 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 0, 5.
Yes.
Analyze this theme. You can easily answer the question based on unit digit. Sir, very, very important unit digit. Yes. So let's see next question. Over to sir based on unit digit, sir.
See here the question, the sum of the two numbers is 168. If there is HCF is 14, how many such a pairs of numbers are possible? In this type of questions, I want to tell one few thing. HCF and LCM, these are the high yielding topics where questions are coming again and again. In this regard, you have to see the previous year question paper as much as possible. If you see this HCF, these are the questions where you have to bank upon, not the questions related to the probability, not the questions related to the permutation combination. Those are not your cup of tea. So HCF and LCM questions are our cup of tea, and in those areas only we have to get. See, I have told you many times, 30 plus below 40. These are the safest area where we have to end up here. If you attain more than 50, then you will be eliminated out in the exam hall itself. No, it's highly impossible. So in this 30 to 40 questions, these are the HCF, LCM questions, unit digits, number of fives, number of zeros, such type of questions are very much common. For this type of questions to attain, you have to bank upon only PYQs. It is not, you cannot do that manually. You cannot do that manually. Manually, it is not highly impossible. Okay. So now we are going to look into this question.
Sir, again HCF and LCM. This theme has not appeared in civil service, but in state service this theme has come.
Okay.
That is, you should be knowing that here one concept, key concept is the sum of two numbers is what? 168. If their HCF is what? 14. How many such pairs of numbers are possible? Okay, what you're supposed to do is HCF is what? HCF is 14. So since HCF is 14, for any number, sir, any number, if you multiply 14 with ratios, that is A, if you consider, or 14 with into B, you will get the number.
Okay.
How to find out it?
Okay.
This concept has appeared. That means two ratios in the ratio A is to B if you consider.
Okay.
Any numbers would be in that ratio.
Yeah.
If you consider 100 is to 200, this would be in 1 is to 2.
Okay.
50 to 25, that means this is 2 is to 1.
Yes. Okay.
These are the numbers. That's this is what? This is the ratio.
Yes.
For this ratio, if you multiply what? HCF. If you multiply what? HCF, that will be the number. That is 14A and this number would be 14B.
Okay.
Now, what they have asked, the sum of two numbers is what? 168. That means the sum, what are the numbers? 14A and 14B. This theme in 2020 case they have asked.
Okay.
This theme,
Okay.
the product of the numbers and these numbers. Same theme I am using and I am solving. Just to be properly practice these questions. That is, for HCF, if you multiply X, you will get the number. For HCF, you multiply Y, you will get the number.
Yes.
Two numbers. If they have given these two numbers, this you are supposed to properly analyze. That means for HCF, if you multiply X, Y, A, B or whatever it is, you will get the number. That means now what they have given? Sum. 14A plus 14B would be equal to what? 168. As soon as you know, basics has to be strong, sir.
Yeah.
I'll take 14 as common. So obviously A plus B would be equal to 168 by 14, which is equal to 1za, 2za, that is 12.
Okay.
That means if I add the ratio, I have to get what?
12.
12.
Yes.
You have to find two coprime numbers.
Yes.
Two coprime numbers. What do you mean by coprime? Sir, I have solved these kind of questions in the previous classes also.
Yes.
Coprime numbers you should be knowing.
Yeah. Prime.
What do you mean by coprime? Any two numbers which don't have a common factor except one.
Yes.
That means for two numbers, if HCF is 1, then those two numbers are known as coprime.
Coprime numbers.
Example, 4 and 8 are not coprime.
Yes.
Why? Because 4 is a factor of 8.
Exactly.
Okay, but 7 and 5 are coprime.
Coprime.
Prime also, coprime also.
Yes.
But 6 and 9 are not a coprime.
Not a
Not coprime.
coprime.
But 9 and 4 are coprime.
Coprime.
Why? Because 9 and 4 doesn't have any common factor.
Yes.
What is the common factor for 9 and 4? 1.
1.
So any two numbers which has HCF as 1 are known as what? Coprime numbers. As soon as you get this, in the previous case it was multiplication. Now tell me to any two coprime numbers, if you add, you have to get 12. One is 7 and 5
Okay.
and another is 1 and 11.
Yeah.
Tell any two numbers. If you add, you have to get what? 12.
12.
But those two numbers should be coprime. Any
That is the key concept.
key concept.
Here you can say, sir, 8 plus 4. No, that will not.
That is not the pair. Why? 8 and 4 are not coprime.
Yes.
The key concept is you have to, for HCF, you are supposed to multiply the ratio, you will get the number. And another key concept is where you have to find two pair of numbers. If you multiply, add, whatever you get here, A plus B or A into B, whatsoever it is, if you get that is. So are possible, two pairs are possible, that is option B would be the answer. That means if you multiply 14 into 7 and 14 into 5, you will get two numbers.
Yes.
Those two numbers, HCF would be 14 and the sum would be 168. You can cross verify. Similarly, if you multiply 14 into 1, 14 into 11,
Yes.
you will get some number. Of those two numbers would be 14.
Yes.
And if you add those two numbers, the sum would be 168. I hope it's clear. Yes. I hope you have learned the concept. So these concepts will be taught in detail in the classes, sir. Yes. Yeah. So let's see one more question. That is, there are 4 bulbs A, B, C, D and D in a room. A glows for 2 minutes, then goes for 1 minute. And the process continues in this manner. Similarly, B glows for 3 minutes and then goes off for 1 minute. And the process continues for C. It is 4 minutes and 1 minute. Okay. Sir, you have to understand the question.
Okay.
This theme, if you open our YouTube channel Ashwamedha, I have, and in Shantamarg also, I have taught this.
Yeah.
That is based on what? LCM,
Yep.
least common multiple.
Yes.
That means traffic signal blinking
Exactly.
and bells ringing.
Yes.
The same theme.
Yeah.
But the theme what they have done is a bit, the question is lengthier. It will take time to read the question, but this concept thoroughly you have to prepare and go. That means there are bulbs. What bulbs? A, B, C, D bulbs are there.
Yes.
A bulb will glow for how many minutes? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
And it will go off for what? 1 minute. That means, so it will be off for how many minutes? 3 minutes.
Okay.
Second, 2 minutes it will glow. For 1 minute it will off. So that means what is the light will off for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. For every 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes it will. Yes, yes. Similarly, B bulb would be, here it is, process. 3 plus 1, that is 4. T would be 4 plus 1, 5. D would be 6. That means for third minute, A bulb will be off.
Yes.
For fourth minute, B bulb will be off. For fifth minute, C bulb will be off. For sixth minute, D bulb will be off. Now you got the concept.
Yeah. I got it.
Why I added one, you got it,
Yes,
right?
yes.
For the third minute, it will be off. Fourth minute, it will be off. Fifth minute, it will be off. Sixth minute, it would be off.
Okay.
Got it? Yes. So that would be off. Respectively for glowing and going off. A man enters the room and comes off it as soon as he completes an hour. What is the maximum number of times that he may face complete darkness in the room? Understand the question. Sir, here is a room. There are 5 bulbs. One bulb will off for third minute.
Yes.
Another is fourth. Another is fifth. Another is sixth.
Okay.
That's how it has happened. Now we will enter into this room.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, for the first time when you entered, think that A bulb is on.
Okay.
So, will the room be dark? The room won't be dark because other bulbs will be on.
Yes.
For the fourth minute, this bulb will be on, but this bulb will be off.
Yes.
For the fifth minute, this bulb will be and these 2 bulbs will be off.
Yes.
Sorry, this will be off and these 2 will be on.
Yep.
For the sixth minute, this will be off, others will be on.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have entered.
Okay.
The question is, you are staying in this room for 1 hour.
Yes.
In that 1 hour, full entire complete, it should be darkness.
Yes.
That means what is the question? What they are asking?
LCM.
That LCM. That means at what time all the bulbs will be off?
Yes. Yeah.
At what time together all the bells will ring together?
Exactly.
At what time together all the signals will on together?
Yes.
2023 question, sir.
Exactly.
Yes, yes. So what I'm supposed to do now? LCM. I'll find out the LCM. Obviously, yeah. To find the LCM, the shortcut is 3, 4, 5, 6. You will write like this. So take out one. That's common factor. 3 ones are 4, 5, 3 twos are. Again, you will go by 1, 2 twos are 5, 1. Now 5 twos are 10. These are 30. Twos are what? 60. That means in the 60th minute,
Yes. Very.
all bulbs will be off. All bulbs will be off. Now you have entered into the room.
Okay.
Stayed for 1 hour. Means how many minutes?
60.
60 minutes.
It is-
In the 60th minute,
Okay.
all bulbs will be off. So that means for how many times you have experienced entire darkness in the room?
In 1 hour, 1 time.
1 time.
Yes.
That's it. So answer would be 1.
Okay.
That is option D here. The option is not there. That is, it has been cut. Option D, the answer would be 1. I hope you have understood the theme.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, for qualifying CSAT and clearing any of the examination, PYQs are mother and HYTs are also very, very important. In this regard, we have started a CSAT course. Don't lag your preparation. That means don't start preparing for CSAT in the month of Jan or Feb, sir. It will take time. Analyze these themes before December itself. It's not like you are supposed to give 5 hours, 10 hours in a week. 2 hours in a week, 2 or 3 hours in a week. After the classes, practice those weekly tests or 2 weeks once we shall conduct the tests also. So those who are interested can contact the number. Thank you. It's over to sir.
See, in our course, we more bothered about the themes. We don't bother which book you are reading, where you have taken coaching. Practicing n number of hours. That's not our important idea. That's not the way you have to clear the exam, because we ensure you are going to clear the exam. We don't ensure you are getting 120, 130, 150. We are not responsible, or we are not going to promise in that way. We are going to promise you are going to clear the CSAT. We are going to tell what are the 30 questions or 40 questions you are supposed to attend. We are more concerned about getting into the mains hall. So that is all from our side. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next class.